is Julie, and we are here for our regular Monday morning story time. This is a recorded video, however, but we are still moderating the video in the comments. So drop a note in the comments and say hi. Let us know that you're here. I am in my house, obviously, because we have a special treat for you today. We are going to do story time and a cooking segment. I thought this would be fun to do for Thanksgiving week. And so I hope you all enjoy it. I wanted to share a recipe, a really simple recipe that you can cook at home that has run in my family for generations. And so, I thought that would be a really fun thing to do. So that is what we're going to do today. So thank you all for joining us. I'm really happy that you're here and I hope you enjoy story time. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to read one story. We have one book that we're going to read, and then we're going to move on to our cooking segment. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with our story called I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Pie. And this is by Allison Jackson. And these are obviously a series of really famous books. There's lots of them, but they're really cute and really funny. So I hope you like it. All right, here we go. I Know an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Pie. A Thanksgiving pie which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. Oh no. I know an old lady who swallowed some cider. Look at that big jug she's drinking from. That rumbled and mumbled and grumbled in cider. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. I know an old lady who swallowed a roll. There's the roll. Just swallowed it whole, the entire roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled in cider. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. I know an old lady who swallowed a squash. Look at that big squash right there. Oh my gosh, a fat yellow squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. I know an old lady who swallowed a salad. Look at that big, beautiful green salad. I love salad. She was looking quite pallid from eating that salad. She doesn't look very well, does she? That's what pallid means. She looks unwell. I love how she's holding her cat too. Do you see that? She swallowed the salad to go with the squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. Oh no. I know an old lady who swallowed a turkey.
Oh no.
A whole turkey? Oh my goodness, that's a really big turkey. Her future looked murky. After that turkey, she swallowed the turkey to go with the salad. She swallowed the salad to go with the squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. I know an old lady who swallowed a pot. This pot right here. That's a really big pot. And look at how she's growing and getting really uncomfortable. I kid you not, she swallowed a pot. She swallowed the pot to go with the turkey. She swallowed the turkey to go with the salad. She swallowed the salad to go with the squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was, what was it? Really too dry. That's right. Perhaps she'll die. Let's see, what is this? Oh, she's got that pot in her mouth. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I think this person here fainted because she's so surprised at everything that this lady is eating. I know an old lady who swallowed a cake. Look at this big cake. This little guy's got a birthday hat on his head. She swallowed the cake to go with the pot. She swallowed the pot to go with the turkey. She swallowed the turkey to go with the salad. She swallowed the salad to go with the squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. What is going on in this picture? That cake looks a mess, doesn't it? Perhaps she'll die. I think maybe that's what a lot of us feel like after eating Thanksgiving dinner. I know an old lady who swallowed some bread. I'm full, she said. Happy Thanksgiving. The end. What a fun story to read this Thanksgiving week. And so we are gonna move on to our cooking segment, and I hope you'll stick around and join me. I've got a special guest that's gonna help. So I will be right back. Okay, so here we are in my kitchen, and we're gonna show you how to make a winter fruit salad. Now, this is a recipe that has been in my family for generations, and I have never seen it anywhere. The closest I think that I was able to come was a recipe called a light ambrosia salad, but it didn't have the same fruits and stuff. So I guess you could make this with any fruit you wanted, but this is just how we've been making it in my family for ever since I was a little girl, ever since my mom was a little girl, ever since my grandma was a little girl. So we are passing on this recipe. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients here for a minute, but I don't know, I think I'm gonna need some help.
Hi!
Oh, hi! This is Olivia. This is my daughter.
Hi.
And she is going to help me today. So we are going to go ahead and show you the ingredients that we're going to use to make this fruit salad. So first of all, we need a big bowl because you're going to be mixing it up. So you need a big bowl. Go ahead.
Apple.
You need 1 apple. We're gonna make just a small salad. So if you wanted to double this recipe to make a bigger salad, you would need 2 apples, 2 pretty big size apples.
1 apple. 1 orange.
Or 2 oranges if you
Or
want to
2.
double it.
2 bananas.
2 bananas, and try to get the bananas as ripe as possible. We bought these a few days ago, so they're not super ripe.
Whipped topping.
Whipped topping.
Crushed pineapple.
A can of crushed pineapple.
Yeah. Nuts.
Some walnuts.
And marshmallows.
And miniature marshmallows. A bag of miniature marshmallows.
And a cutting board.
And a cutting board.
But we also need a knife.
Yep, so we're gonna grab a knife. Do you wanna go grab a knife for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna start cutting up this fruit, and we will come back in just a minute. Okay, so we have our apple chopped up, really small pieces, and we are just going to put it into this bowl. Here, you wanna hold that up so we can get it on the camera. It's a heavy bowl. All right, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the orange and the same thing with the banana. Okay, so we are back. So we have cut up the apples, the oranges, and the bananas into really small little pieces, as you can see. Do you have hiccups?
Yes.
So we're just gonna add the rest of the ingredients to the fruit salad. So we have an entire can of crushed pineapple with the juice. So we're just gonna dump that right in. Dump it right in, yep. Good.
Yep.
And then we have some chopped walnuts that I went ahead and chopped up. And we're not gonna add all of these because we're gonna leave a little bit of this for the top. So we're just gonna add like maybe
half the bowl.
Not half, but maybe we have like that much left over. We're gonna sprinkle that on top as like a decoration. And then we have some yummy miniature marshmallows. Do they taste okay?
Yes.
Okay. And you can dump some of those in. There's really no measurements to this, so I've been making it for so long. Let's see, we'll probably use about half the bag. That looks good. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we are going to mix this up now. So do you want to try that?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it all up. Get it all nice and mixed together. And the pineapple juice will kind of soak into the marshmallows, and it's gonna be really yummy. So we'll get this all mixed together.
We've had this before, so we know it's really yummy.
It is really yummy. So we've got it all mixed together here. Okay. So when you've got it all mixed together, this is what you're gonna have right here. All right. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it into a different dish. So we're gonna dump it into this dish here. And then get it all out of here into this other dish. And we are going to take some whipped topping. Now, back in the day in my family, my grandmother and my mom too would make whipped cream from scratch. And I don't really have time for that. So we're just gonna use Cool Whip. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take an entire tub of Cool Whip. Is that good? Mm-hmm. And I'm just gonna use a butter knife here. And I'm going to dump this onto the top. I don't know if you can't really see. Dump it onto the top, okay, like this. And then we're just gonna spread it all over the top of the fruit salad. Like
frosting
so,
a cake.
Kind of like frosting a cake, exactly. So it's gonna end up looking like that, frosting a cake. And then we are going to take our walnuts that we have left over and we're just gonna sprinkle them on the top, and it's gonna make a nice little finish to the fruit salad. And there you go. That is our winter fruit salad. Do you want to taste it?
Sure.
Okay, can we get some little bowls? Let's get some little bowls. Hold on 1 second. Here. Sorry, I wasn't prepared for this part. Let's get a couple of spoons. And we'll take our spoon, our nifty spoon, and
Our handy
scoop out
dandy.
some fruit salad.
Thank you.
Is that yummy?
I'll try.
We'll try it. I'll try it too.
Mmm.
Really yummy, isn't it? Cheers. So good. All right, bye friends. Thank you so much for sticking around today. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving from the Charlestown Library, and we will see you soon. Bye.